Dear friends, today we have the newspaper of 17th May 2024 and start with the first news that is about Pakistan. Pak will be Pak will use IMF aid to fund terror. Rajnath. Defense Minister urged the organizations to reconsider its 1 billion assistance for Pakistan. At Bhuj Air Force Station, he lauded the AIF role in successfully carrying out Operation Sindoor. Operation Sindoor was just a trailer. Will show the whole move if required, the ministers add. Russia, Ukraine will swim prisoners but fail to argue on truce attack in Turkey. Retrospective green clearance illegal. Centre seeks to enhance dividend from RBI. Allies oppositions can't out Punjab government over spurious liquor death. AAP legislature allies flourishing of mafia under watch of Man lead government. Leader of party demand filling of FIR against CM. Excise minister's government sheltering criminals, drug smugglers, say Union Minister. Bombay High Court sets up special bench to hear plea against Maratha quota. Agitation teach in Bengal resume their protest. Police justify use of force as minimal. Permanent Lok Adalat not functioning in Rajasthan's 16 district. SC take cognizance. Nuhu adopt sports-driven approach to combat drug abuse. SC deny bail to AAP liquor scam accused. SC 3-month timeline governor verdict was adopted from centre's own guidelines. The court's April 8 judgment made it clear it was adopted guidelines issued by the Ministry of Home Affairs through two office memorandum issued in 2016 fixing a 3-month timeline for the president. The government had also posed direction for central ministers involved in process. After ED arrest, Gujarat Samachar's owner get bail on health ground. Anyone not compromising with BJP will have to go jail. Kharge on ED actions. West Bengal must ensure safety of Murshidabad riot victims, say Kolkata High Court. Shah inaugurated revamped multi-agency network built at 500 crores to fight terrorism. Cookie Joe bodies set to terms for talk with Centre. Opposition accept government invite to join diplomatic outreach. Centre to send 8 delegation to Europe, West Asia, Africa and explain India's stance on the conflict with Pakistan. These delegations comprise roughly 10 members each, will have parliamentarians, former diplomats, strategic experts, and that is a good move to express their side to the rest of the world. Fresh row erupt over MP Deputy CM commented on army. Stove conflict between India Pak is a big success. BJP BSP condemned SP leaders comment on Air Force officers. Bile switch from Celebi to other services provider. IIT Roorkee cancel MOU with Turkey's Anounian University. Umar Mehbooba exchange barbs over reviving Tulbul Barrage project. UK determined to play key role to improve Indo-Pak tie. Supreme Court struck down retrospective environmental clearance. Before starting a new project or expanding one, a clear must be obtained. Say court, concept of ex post facto node is in derogations of basic principle of environmental jurisprudence. It's added. India to do whatever is necessary to build ties with Afghanistan. SC questions plea against Rohingya deportations. VSSC directors say ISRO is committed to sustainable space exploration practice. CGI praised Justice Bhela Triveni for being firm, fearless, and dedicated. NCW aim at rising gender sensitivity on campus. The new normal after Pahalgam. India's response. India need to work on its expensive new norm in order for it to be a credible deterrent against terrible attack. The ingredient to turn around nutrition's outcome. Empowering women financially is an effective way to improve the nutritional outreach in India. Drinking to death. Illicit liquor tragedies expose systematic corruptions and regulatory failures. Closing argument. The presidential reference seeks to undermine a subtle question. The union government has missed an opportunity to put a lid on the prolonged contrary over the arbitrary and undemocratic use of power by unelected governors. FinMin undertaking parallel review of RBI buffer with eye on dividends. Since January, RBI officials are to be reviewing the central bank economic capital framework. A lower contingency risk buffer would mean higher transfer to the government, which is reportedly seeking to hike its defense expenditures this year. Adani ends pact with Slaby at Mumbai, Ahmedabad airports. Air India lobbies government to ex Indigo lease with Turkish carrier. Hyundai Motors India Q4 net slip 4% to 1,614 crores. Board OK 21 rupee dividend. UN snipes outlook for India growth to 6.3 on global shutdown. RBI likely to appoint additional directorate on Ind Bank board. Sugar season may end with 52 lakh ton carry over stock. ZF Wind Power commissioned 13.2 megawatt test ring in Coimbatore. Europe leader seeks united front with Trump on Ukraine. At least 93 killed, hundreds injured across Gaza Strip. A lot of people are starving in Gaza, say US President. Man who stabbed author Salman Rushdie on stage sentenced to 25 years jail. Iran and European powers hold nuclear talks in Turkey. Libya Tripoli back to claim after void of violence. Residents of Afghan capital are forced to choose between water and food. IPL aim for a resurrections post a short interruption. The contour of New India is touched white, shaped by the wind of change. That's from my side, friend. See you soon. Jai Hind.